Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant, and here is the daily turbo update, only 5 minutes for an update every day. And you can see this was the picture from yesterday, this was the chart picture. I showed you guys we need to stay in this nice uptrend. As long as we're in the uptrend, everything is nice. And we are also building a little triangle, and you can see something, guys, very important here. We lost our uptrend, we are now in a downtrend again, and we need to watch this, what's going on. Here's the 15-minute chart. Let's check this before we start with the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart is telling us we had an inverse shoulder, head shoulder, and a breakout to the upside here from this baseline. And now we are under this baseline again. So in my opinion, this inverse shoulder, head shoulder is not playing out anymore, and we can forget it. You can see it here, guys. We are momentarily under this ribbon band. We have a bad ribbon band. We have a short position since here on 58,000. Now we are on 55,600. This was a nice short. And now we are going sideways a little bit. We saw a big spike to the downside, 53,400, extreme spike to the downside. And now we have some problems here on the 1 hour chart. You can see the ribbon band is a red one, it's a resistance, and you can see Bitcoin is acting on or reacting this resistance. You can see a spike into this ribbon band, back again, a new try to fight against the ribbon band, back again. Also, you can see the MA21, this blue line here, is also a resistance, and this MA200 is also a resistance now. So on the 1 hour chart, we have very bad cards here, and this is not looking very well here for Bitcoin. This is a big thing we have to watch. The next thing we have to watch is this one. We have here a line from here over this point here to here. This is our support, and you can see we spiked perfectly here to our support line. Here was a perfect buy-in point. Also, we have to watch this one here. We have here also a line on the upside. This is our upper trend line, and you can see we are going sideways a little bit, or we are going up a little bit. And we can also draw here a nice uptrend channel on the 1 hour chart. So we are still in this uptrend. Let me show you from this point over this point here to the upside to this point here. You can see this is a nice green uptrend, and we are here acting in this uptrend. Here we spiked down again, and we are now fighting here. The bad news also for the 1 hour chart, we are under the middle line of this uptrend. This is also a bad thing. So what's going on? What's telling us the indicators? What's telling us the MACD? What's with this? And you can see for the moment MACD is bullish. We saw a crossing blue line over this brown line. That's a bullish sign here. We are also building green candles now. That's not the baddest thing. We need to watch one thing, guys. We need to watch the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. Let me check this one here, RSI. So here we are, and you can see the RSI is momentarily on 45 points, and we see a downgoing RSI a little bit, and we also see what's very important to watch, a trend line from the upside coming to the downside. This is this trend line. We have some space to the upside, but we have here a resistance also on the RSI. Let's remove it. The next thing we have to watch, in my opinion, very important, is also this thing. We are still on the 1 hour chart. From the upside coming down is here our resistance. This is a bad red resistance, and we can set a price label on it. If we may fight back to the middle line or something like this, this is also a resistance, 56,700. This is a point. We need to fight back 56,700. We need to fight back the middle line. We need to fight back the ribbon band, and also we need to fight back this EMA 200. So let's zoom out a little bit more. What's going on the 4 hour chart? What is telling us this one? And you can see we lost our ribbon band completely with this bad candle to the downside. Now we also lost our EMA 200 as a support. Now it is a resistance. And you can see also the MA21 is coming here also as a resistance. So for the moment, also the 4 hour chart picture is a really bad picture with really bad resistances now. We need to fight back, or we will see a downgoing Bitcoin. As long as we are in this nice uptrend, maybe on this point here, 53,600, or maybe this lowest point here, 53,500, everything is nice. But we need, guys, we need to fight this. We need to keep this support line here on 53,000. That's very important. Let's check the MACD on the 4 hour chart. What is telling us this one? MACD bearish, ultra bearish. You can see it. The blue line is under the brown line. We are building red candles. Momently, we are building not dark red candles. That's a nice thing. But for the bigger picture here, this is very bad for the 4-hour chart. But guys, as long as we are here in this nice uptrend, everything is okay. No need to be afraid of this or to panic sell or something like this. Everything is okay. If we are zooming out a little bit more, we can see some interesting stuff also. Let me check this here. So this is the bigger picture of Bitcoin. And you can see if we are building here a parallel channel from the downside from here over this point to the upside, you can see really nice, a big uptrend. Yes, a sideways going Bitcoin, but we are still in a big uptrend also on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we are momently under the middle line here for this big uptrend, and this is also not the best thing. We need to fight it back. And you can see if you're zooming in a little bit more, this point 56,000 or the next thing to the upside, this is the price target about this point here, 57,500. These are the big things we have to watch here for the next day, for the next days. We need to fight back this middle line. This is very important. But guys, I think you know everything you need to know. 6 minutes, I promised you 5-minute tour update. This is 6 minutes. Sorry guys, but this is the quick update for the day, the tour update from me, from BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Big greetings out there to Cromlanch, my new boss of my channel, of my live stream, streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. The name is Bitcoin Trading Informant. I'm streaming on Twitch and on YouTube. I hope we see us there in the live chat. And I wish you just the best, guys. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Greetings. Have a nice time. Yours BT, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Bye bye.